Okay, now we have example for creating a database. So open the Visual Basic application. So design the necessary fields, and we're going to design application for student marks. Student marks. So you have a property called font. Okay. So first field. Okay. So first one is so first label is for name. Subject 1. And subject 2 and subject 3. Okay. And this one is for total. Okay. Okay, now form design is over. So my next part is designing database. So for that I have to go to add-ins, Visual Data Manager. So in that, go to file and new Microsoft Access 7.0.mdb. So I'm creating a folder for my database, mydb. Database name is mydb. Okay. So in that I have to create a table. My table name is student. Okay. The first field is the name of the student. It should be in the text. And next one is subject 1. Should be in a single, in the sense 4 decimal places. Okay. And subject 2, that is 2 single, and subject 3, okay, that is 2 single, okay. And then finally total. So that's the end of our table design. Okay, fine. Okay, so once you type all these fields, so then you have to click build the table. So once the table is built, so you can have like this. So I have a sample data, Shiva. I have a manual entry over here. Sorry, 50. Okay, file 150. Okay, updated. Fine. So my table as well as form both are ready. So now I am going to integrate both these two. Okay. So for that I need a interface of data1. Okay. So go to data1 properties. So I have a database name. So my database in D drive, mydb. Select the database. So have to select the table name. Table name is student. Record source, you have to select the table name. So now the table is connected in this form, but you need to give the individual fields. So first I have to select the first field, data source and data field. Second field, data source data field, and the third field. So you have to select data source and data field. Fourth one, you have to select the data source as well as data field, and finally total. Okay, fine. So now I'm getting the values. So suppose if I want to add one more data, right? Add and this one is for save. Okay, fine. Data one dot add item, sorry, record set dot add item. Add new. Okay, for saving, data one dot record set dot save or update. Fine, I'm just running this. Rajesh 50, 75, save. Alright, so I have two data save over here. Suppose I have a problem over here. The total every time I'm doing the manual process. So how I can automate this? Okay, so if I move out of this total, I can get the total over here. Okay, just select this total button and get the got focus or lost focus. So I'm choosing the got focus. If my cursor focus in the text box file, text 5 dot text equal to value of text 2 dot text plus val of text 3 dot text plus val of text 4 dot text. Okay, so why I'm using this val function, it's a conversion of value. By default input is string. If I am adding 5 plus 5, it will give 55. So to address this issue, we are converting the string into integer. So that's why we are using this val functions, value of text 2 dot text as well as text 3, text 4. I'm just adding these three values. So it's Kumar 78. So I'm getting 194. So this is a sample of how we can connect the table into Visual Basic application.